Can a clamshell phone just 6.1mm thick handle the heaviest games without turning into a hot frying pan? Inside the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is a 2nm 10-core Exynos 2600 processor and Xclipse 960 graphics. On paper, Samsung promises a 20% boost in graphics and 30% in processor performance. But a thin body and a foldable design have always been enemies of good cooling. Today we're going to put the Flip 8 through a rigorous stress test, run benchmarks, measure the heat, check for throttling, and launch the heaviest games, both on the main 120Hz screen and the external 4-inch one. And we'll start our test with dry numbers and benchmarks to understand the chip's base potential. In the Geekbench 6 multi-core test, the 10 cores deliver an excellent result, showing a powerful reserve in terms of processor performance. But the most interesting part begins during the 20-minute 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme Stress Test. For the first 5 to 7 minutes, the smartphone maintains peak performance, but due to the ultra-thin 6.1mm body, the upper half of the device quickly becomes saturated with heat. After 10 minutes of continuous load, the chip begins to throttle its frequencies to avoid overheating. Performance drops by about 30 to 35%, and the temperature of the body and the camera area rises to a noticeable 43 to 45 degrees. It is important to understand how cooling is actually designed in such a form factor. Inside the upper half, there is an ultra-thin vapor chamber installed, in combination with graphite sheets. And the role of the main heatsink is performed by the body itself, the aluminum frame, and the glass. Due to the foldable design, heat from the processor remains only in the upper part and does not distribute to the lower half with the battery. As soon as the body is fully saturated with heat and can no longer dissipate it into the air, the system activates protective mechanisms. But let's move on to real gaming. On the main 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen in online shooters like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Warzone, the Exynos 2600 feels perfect at maximum graphics settings. The frame rate stays around 90 to 120 frames per second, and the smoothness of the matrix provides an excellent advantage. The body gets warm, but it doesn't reach critical temperatures. It's comfortable to play. The main feature of the Z Flip 8 is its enlarged 4.1-inch external screen at 120 Hz. And you can also play on the closed smartphone. Through the One UI 9 or Good Lock settings, absolutely any game can be displayed on the external screen. Playing arcades like Subway Surfers or Brawl Stars on a closed Flip 8 is a real pleasure. The small screen consumes less energy, the smartphone fits perfectly in one hand, and the 120 Hz makes the picture super smooth. You can also launch something like PUBG Mobile or Genshin on the external screen, but because of the square aspect ratio, there are too many interface elements, and it's just uncomfortable to press the small buttons. But the very fact that a foldable phone can run heavy graphics while folded looks very impressive. As for battery life, the situation is as follows. There is a 4300 mAh battery installed inside. In heavy games at maximum brightness and 120 Hz, the smartphone drains by about 22 to 25% in 1 hour. In light games on the external screen, it only drains by 12 to 15% per hour. With continuous heavy gaming, a full charge will last for about 4 to 4.5 hours. Can the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 be called a gaming smartphone? Absolutely not. This is not a gaming device. The ultra-thin 6.1mm body and the split design do not allow for a massive, full-fledged cooling system. Therefore, during long sessions, for example in Genshin Impact, throttling is inevitable. But for the majority of users, this hardware will be more than enough. The Exynos 2600, paired with 12GB of RAM, provides a huge power reserve. The smartphone easily handles popular online shooters, launches any application instantly, and allows for comfortable gaming on the external screen. Now tell me, do you play games on your smartphone, and do you get a Flip purely for the style or the compactness? Write in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you next time. Bye.